All right, let's take a look at the total crypto market cap. I'm just going to give you a recap of what I've been looking at basically. So we've been watching this uptrend right here. We've been getting support on it the whole way up pretty much. So what we did, we started getting resistance right here and right here. And we were looking at this triangle pattern, something like this. We were dragging from the top to the bottom of the triangle, and we were dragging it to the breakout, and we were looking at a target of approximately 2.33, somewhere around there. So basically we can delete that. We hit the target, came up to that. Right now, yesterday's video on Polkadot, we were looking at this rising wedge, something right here. I said I didn't know if we were going to go to the upside or the downside, and we're going to have to wait for confirmation. It looks like we broke to the downside. So I also was saying that we're going to want to watch for previous support levels, something like that. We actually got support right here, and it looks like we're kind of holding support right now. So let's see if that can hold support. In general, what I'm looking at though is we did break our big uptrend like that. So we're below the uptrend right now. What I'm thinking though is if we go to the daily time frame and we look at these candles, what I'm thinking is, are we going to close below this trend line right here on the daily time frame? If we do, we're going to want to look for the next daily candle to see whether it's a green candle going back to this uptrend, go back trending up, or if we're going to get another red candle going to the downside, and we're going to have to look for even lower previous support levels, something like that. All right, so if we go to the 1 hour time frame, I'm looking at this resistance right here and this resistance right here, basically giving me this downtrend, something like that. Until we break this downtrend going to the upside, I'm basically going to be assuming that we might be getting resistance on it and heading down. But let's keep an eye on it. If we break it going to back to the upside, that might be our signal that we might be heading back above this trend line right here. In general, I'm going to be watching this uptrend right here on the daily time frame. Are we going to close below this trend line, or are we going to come back up and it was just going to be a fake out and we're going to start trending back to the upside again? Let me know what you guys think in the comments.